Before we look at what I found today, I just wanted to say thank you. Whether you've been with me since day one or you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you choosing to spend your time with me. Today, we're at Whitfield Nursery in Gilbert, and I found some plants that honestly you just don't see every day. So let's take a look around. And if you can, stick around to the end to see what I bought. This is a croton, and they're beautiful, but I don't recommend them if you're new to plants. This is a Dieffenbachia, and these are very easy. I do recommend these if you're new to plants, especially in darker places like your bathroom. This is a painted lady, and in Arizona, philodendrons do very well, so I do recommend this for everyone. Philodendron green Congo nuclear. What a beautiful plant. And honestly, I have never seen one of these in person, so this is a rare treat for me. This one really caught my eye. It's a philodendron. Didn't say, so I'm not sure what it is. If you know, leave a comment. Another Dieffenbachia. These plants are beautiful. This is a Dieffenbachia camouflage, I believe. If you live in a hot climate, this is the kind of plant I would buy. Philodendrons do well with the heat. Not so much the sun, but definitely can handle the heat. This is one plant I would love to add to my collection. Obviously a smaller version. They're asking $500 for this one. And this is the plant I had to add to my collection. I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Seeing things like this is why I love doing what I do. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.